Well, hey there guys. Very recently we've released a video introducing our very first product that we've made for the CPAP community. And that is the RespShop CPAP Cleanser. This is available exclusively at RespShop.com, and already those early adopters that have bought some, we've had some very, very positive feedback. Now I promised you we were going to do some more follow-up videos on this product. That's what we're doing today. Now, I want to show you how effective this is as a daily cleanser for your equipment. Now, there is a lot of science that goes behind why this product works so well. I'm gonna save that for a future video. Today, I just wanted to give you a powerful visual representation of a before and an after. The before being using some of our regular CPAP accessories with me breathing into it as much as possible, touching them, using them, and then an after once we cleanse them to see how much of that bacteria that the cleanser is able to remove from 4 of these common CPAP accessories, or in this case, even the CPAP machine itself. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a cotton swab, I'm going to wipe down each one individually with a fresh swab, and then I'm going to put it onto our petri dish in this before section. We're then going to use the CPAP cleanser on each of these products in the way that it directs you to. We'll do another cotton swab on them and put that in the after section of the petri dish. And we've also got a control section here just so that we can make sure that nothing got changed in that experiment throughout. We're then going to incubate these petri dishes, and I've got this in a temperature controlled box that should stay consistently between 85 and 100 degrees, which is the perfect environment for this bacterial colonies to grow within the petri dish. And in a couple days, we'll come back and we'll see what growth has occurred on our before section versus what growth has occurred on our after section. And we should see quite a dramatic difference there, so long as the CPAP cleanser is performing as it should. So I've already dirtied all the equipment we're going to be using in this experiment. We put together a fun behind the scenes video of us doing that. Go check it out on a brand new Instagram profile that I have. I'd love to connect with you on there or on our YouTube shorts. So, got our RespShop CPAP cleanser, I've got my microfiber cloth, so let's get started. All right, well here we are, back about a week later. Now full disclaimer, I did have to restart the experiment about halfway through. That's because I didn't do a big enough sample size on my Q-tip when I put this together the first time, so I didn't get a significant amount of bacteria on the before or after. So I did a much bigger sample size the second time around, let them incubate for about a week to show you the real difference of the before and after, show the real efficacy of this RespShop CPAP cleanser. So let's start with the nasal irrigation. Okay, so here you can see quite clearly the before and the after, how the CPAP cleanser made a significant impact. Still a bit left over, maybe I didn't do a full enough proper wipe. I sprayed it with a CPAP cleanser, I let it sit for 10 minutes and wiped it off with a microfiber cloth, and that were the results on that one. Next, the CPAP machine. You can see this one has a little bit more bacteria in the before, and that's probably because I use the ResMed AirSense 11. There's a fair bit of touch screen involved with that, so I was able to pick up a good amount of bacteria. We do actually end up touching our CPAP machines quite a bit, and you can see that after, the CPAP cleanser did a really great job there. Next, brace yourself, it starts to get a little bit ugly and a bit gross once we reach the mask. This is the mask cushion. You can see the huge amount of bacteria on the before. Look at that after. The CPAP cleanser making a big, big difference there. And this is what's touching our skin around our mouths every single night as we use it. It does make you wonder, huh? Makes you shudder a little. And last but not least, avert your eyes if you're sensitive to this kind of thing. Look at our CPAP tubing. You see all the bacteria there is just covering it. Sprayed it down, sloshed it around inside the tubing, let it sit for 10 minutes, gave it a good wipe, took a sample, and look at that difference. Very, very impressive stuff. So if you haven't yet already, pick yourselves up a bottle of the RespShop CPAP cleanser, and if you start to incorporate this as part of your daily routine, make sure to take advantage of some of that bulk special pricing that we have at RespShop.com on our CPAP cleanser. Remember, it's an exclusive product, it can only be found on our website. In future, we're going to dive a little bit more into the science behind what to look for when buying your own CPAP cleanser. So stay subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of that future content coming your way. And as always, friends, sleep tight. Bye-bye for now.